Hi, to pair your CMF Phone 1 with wireless earbuds, as a first step, you'll need to enable pairing mode on your earbuds. So, on different earphones, pairing mode enables differently. So, you need to simply find out how to enable pairing mode specifically on your device. For example, in my case, I got this AirPods, and to enable pairing mode on them, I would need to just open the case, press and hold this button on the back part, so this indicator on the front will be blinking white like that. And now they are ready to be paired. So I'm gonna open settings, find this connected devices tab, and choose to pair new device. So now it will be searching for these available devices, and simply wait till you can find the name of your earbuds. So here is mine. I'm gonna just tap it, and here tap on pair, and also we can choose whether we want to allow access to contacts and call history or not, and then tap pair. And that's basically it. So they are paired because we can see them in the list of media devices, status active, and we can tap on settings icon here and enable or disable HD audio and phone calls and media audio. And as I said before, allow access to contacts and call history. Also in the audio device type, you can choose headphones. And also you can rename your earbuds here if you tap on this pen icon. And if you want to disconnect your earbuds, just tap on this option. And to forget this device, so you need to reconnect it again, tap this button forget. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.